Okay, Wing Rider. Finished lunch here at the lake at the picnic table, little lunch place over there. Stop and get a little bite to eat. Then I'm gonna go home and work on a little project between today and tomorrow for the church that I was doing. Building that little shelf for that thing I was telling you about in video 1, I believe it was. Close up the jacket here. But the weather today is just beautiful, man. Unreal. Okay. Little sandwich between my teeth there. Kickstands down. Nice little safety feature there. Guy over there, when I got my sandwich, he said, "Don't worry about paying for it. You just leave the keys to the bike." Okay. We'll take a cruise around the lake here. This is the lake I walk around a lot. I'm not walking around it as much as I was during the winter months because it gets too hot, and I bought a treadmill and put it in a room in my house there, and on the wall behind it, right in front of it, I've got a little flat screen TV that I put there, and I use that while I'm walking. It's Wi-Fi capable, so I watch my YouTube videos and Netflix and stuff while I'm walking. Kind of neat. That water looks green. Oh no, it's blue. I got these yellow tinted glasses on. They're like night driving, day driving kind of glasses. The yellow tinted lens is kind of brighten everything up, but it makes things look yellowish. So I might kind of go the back road to home. I don't live that far out of town here. Little town of Madison, beautiful little town. You fly a little bitty fly, you can get out of the way. Car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Don't quit your day job, yeah, I know. Okay. I just washed the wing yesterday morning, and the bugs have just all over the front of it again. There's a guy that's got a used car lot up here, and he's got an old El Camino, like a 1970. There it is. I don't know what he wants for that car, but man, I'd love to have that one. Only way you'd know is to stop in and ask, huh? They call him Frenchy. His name is Richard, but he's French Canadian. He speaks French with a French accent. He speaks American with a French accent, and he also speaks French, is what I was trying to say. I'm not going to get too close behind this truck. Like a rock hauler or something. Last thing I need is one to kick up a rock and hit the wing. Plus I'm turning up here, so make sure he wants to be seen during the day, driving with the bright lights on. Of course, motorcycles have their lights on. This one you can't turn them off, which is they've been doing that for years. On a motorcycle, you definitely want your lights on. In most states required anyway. little curvy road called Country Kitchen Road. I like to go up there and ride that Tail of the Dragon in Tennessee, but during the week when there's not so many sport bikers out there to run you over, because I wouldn't be out there hauling you know what out there. I just enjoy the ride, not the racing up and downhill. I don't know any motorcyclist that doesn't like curvy roads. .45 miles an hour. Does that mean 70? I better ease off a little bit. Look at that. A field of rye. Beautiful field of golden rye. You might think it's wheat, but it's rye. And a double wide trailer right out there in the middle of it, seems like. This is probably what it'd be like riding the Isle of Man TT, only 150 miles an hour faster. You gotta have nads of pure steel to ride that Isle of Man TT. What it's like in the 100 years they've been doing that, since the beginning of motorcycles, basically. 200 and something riders have been killed in it. Average about 2 a year. Anyway, I'm going to work on this project when I get home, so this will be the last in the series of this video. I don't know what I'll title it, just riding the Goldwing, I guess. I don't know, something like that. I'll figure it out. Anyway, until next time, this is Wing Rider. Ride safe and have a good time riding. Anticipate vehicles and stuff running out in the road in front of you. Don't think anybody's going to wait for you. If you were driving a tank down the road, maybe. But anyway, until later, Wing Rider.